Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to file a 1040 full guide. Gather W-2s, 1099, Social Security numbers, last year's return, and deduction records before you start. I'll walk you through choosing filing status, reporting income, claiming dependents, and picking the right deductions. We will cover credits, estimated tax payments, and common mistakes to avoid so you can file confidently and minimize surprises. Start by listing every income type clearly and accurately on your 1040 form. Include W-2 wages, 1099 income, interest, dividends, capital gains, and any rental or business earnings. I'll explain when to use schedules like Schedule 1 or Schedule C and how to transfer totals to the main form. Keep records and match numbers to your source documents so your filing is clean and audit-ready. Next, we'll decide between the standard deduction and itemizing, and I'll show common deductible expenses to consider. We will walk through credits that directly reduce tax, such as child tax credit and earned income tax credit, and how to qualify. I'll also cover retirement contributions and deductible interest that lower your taxable income. Follow along to maximize benefits without triggering red flags on your return.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.